sharpened scraper. I start with the big stone, diamond stone. It's, I don't know what the grit is, but the heft makes it nice to do the initial cut. I'm holding it at a slight angle, maybe 3 degrees down, and I keep sharpening until I feel a small burr with my fingernail all the way across. Once that burr is formed and continuous, you know you've cut off a rounded edge. And since this is a double-sided scraper, flip it over and do the other side. Nice squeaky sounds. The screen can be somewhat reduced by putting lots of your body on the stone. Once you've got that, take the next finer stone, in this case a red DMT stone. It doesn't say what the grit is, but you look it up, you'll find the red. Then you use this until you see you've removed all the grinding marks from the previous sound. I think it's really not necessary to reverse it for this. It's better for the first cut because you kind of raise the burr in one direction. When you feel you've got all the marks out from the previous grit, go to the fine DMT stone. These are machinists. They call them machinist blades. Most of their diamond have this pattern of holes, plastic, and holes in the diamond is on the metal part. But for the machinists, they provide this inch of solid diamond, which is good for small cutters and lathe cutters and such, and but also good for this application. I just don't find it. It seems a little bit weird, but it works too. This will give you a semi-mirror finish, which is really all I go for the ends, generally. But I do polish the flats. When I initially make the shaper, I do polish these to a mirror finish. And finally, use a hard Arkansas stone or Kansas stone. I don't know what they call it, but. And then holding it flat against the flat side, go up and down. And this is to remove the burr. And that's it. Ready for another maybe 15 minutes of scraping. Good thing it doesn't take long to sharpen them.